Alright guys, welcome back again to my channel. We want to solve this interesting math question on ratio. $420 was shared among Teacher Chike and Esomnofo online math in the ratio of 2:3. Find the amount each of them got, alright? So the first thing we have to do to get the amount that Teacher Chike and Esomnofo online math got from $420 that was shared in the ratio of 2:3 is to find the total ratio. That's the first thing to do. The total ratio is the sum of the two ratios. 2 plus 3, that will give us 5. Okay. So the next thing we do is to get the amount of one of them. When you get the amount one of them got, you can now take it away from the total amount. You get the amount the other person will have. So let's solve for the ratio for the amount that Teacher Chike got. That is 2/5. His ratio over total ratio times what? The amount shared, $420. So let's simplify. 2 times 420, that will give us 840 divided by 5. That will give us $168. So Teacher Chike got $168. Let's get the amount Esomnofo for online math got. So you simply say $420 minus 168. 10 minus 8 is 2. 11 minus 6, that is 5. Then 3 minus 1, that is 2. So Esomnofo will get $252. That becomes the solution. Thank you so much for listening. Please do well to like this video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting math tutorials. Meet you in my next video. Bye.